Hello everyone, let's go to the 94th example. Make a program that reads a sentence string containing 4 real numerical double precision values separated by space. Next, your program must separate each number from the others, convert it to the numerical format, and display the sum of the numbers. So let's go to the program and see what is happening here. First of all, you have to include the library stdio.h, which allows us to print messages on the screen. Here I am using the library string.h2 to allow us to use the strlen of the sentence, which gives to us the length of the sentence, and sdlib.h, which allows us to use another functions on C language. Here I am including 5 array of chars for the sentence, the A, the B, the C, and the D, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 int variables and 5 double variables. So let's understand what is happening here. Printf, enter 4 real values, and this scanf will storage everything that you type in your keyboard on the computer memory instead of enter. So let's go. Separating the values in 4 different arrays. So if the sentence I is equal to a space, this is the quantity of space that we had, and this is checking if what is the quantity. So we can put an else if here, else if here, else if here, and an else if here. So if this is true, we will not run that, and this is not true, we will run that, and if this is true, we will not run that. So this is a better way than for running that program. So I am separating the values in 4 different arrays. So if the quantity is equal to 0, we are setting the value in the sentence A, in the array A. If the quantity is B, we are setting in the array B. The same for C and the same for D. Here I am calculating the first value in the array A, and if look at straightful I equal to 0, I has to be slower than the length of A, and every time this for loop runs, the I will be increased by 1. If the AI is equal to a dot, so this dot is you understand, that is separate the part integer and the float part of the double value. So the value A will be equal to a turn F. So it's turning the value to a float variable, and the flag will be equal to ++. If the flag is equal to 0, the value will turn into integer. He is a float and he is an integer, and there is an integer, sorry. So I am setting the value of the flag to 0 again, and making the same for the array B, the same for the array C, and the same for the array D. And here I am making the sum of the value A, the value B, the value C, and the value D, and printing on the screen. Oh my god. Calculating the 4th value, calculating the 3rd value, calculating the 2nd value. So let's go to the terminal and understand what is happening here. Enter 4 real values. 2 dot, 2.5, 3.5, 5.5, 10, and I have 2. 22. So let's check. 2.5 plus 3.5 is 6. 6 plus 5.5 is 11.5. And 11.5 plus 10.5 is 22. So thank you for your attention. Link for the script is on the video description, and subscribe for regular content.